Clean the screen with the wet wipes first. Dry the screen with the dry wipes. If there are still some dust, remove it with the dust absorber.
Put the installation frame on your phone.
Peel off the protective film gently. Align cutout sandages correctly.
Press the screen protector with your finger from the top middle of the screen to the bottom. Take off the frame.
Wait a few seconds to let the screen protector stick on automatically.
If there are some bubbles on the screen, try to gently press the bubbles with your finger or scrape the bubbles outwards with a credit card or a ruler.
Enjoy your phone with Ailun protection. Perfect fit for dynamic island. Clean the camera lens with the wet wipes first. Dry the camera lens with the dry wipes. Bend the plastic sheet carefully to remove the camera lens protector. Make sure to correctly align the protector to the camera lens holes while applying. Press the protector from all angles to make the protector stick on the camera lens perfectly.